Welcome to our channel. Here we introducing a 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome boasts a durable structure built on a steel and aluminum frame, designed to withstand various weather conditions. Its sleek exterior design is both stylish and aerodynamic. Inside, premium materials like leather and wood trim create a cozy atmosphere. The leisure lounge system features dual reclining chairs, an updated dinette table system, and a full-time panoramic window. The Dinette Plus system allows for an extendable dinette bench that converts into twin beds or a queen-sized bed. Upscale vanities and roomy showers provide ample storage and comfort. Safety features include a smart surge protector with transfer switch and solar power systems for quiet and free power options. Additional safety features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, and adaptive cruise control. Dimensions vary depending on the model and floor plan, but key specs include: length, 22.5 feet, width, 7.8 feet, height, 9.5 feet, wheelbase, 14.2 feet. Pricing starts at around $150,000 to $200,000 USD, depending on the model and features. Some popular models to consider are: Unity, starting at $195,470 USD. Wonder, starting at $187,620 USD. These models offer various floor plans and customization options to suit your needs. For more accurate information and to confirm features, I recommend checking with Kia directly or visiting their website. The 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome offers a unique blend of style, comfort, and adventure-ready features, making it perfect for travelers seeking freedom and flexibility on the open road. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will meet soon in next video.